Okay, Chris, this is part 2, setting up xbmc. This is the main screen. This is called the Confluence skin. I think this is like the default one. So we'll start with this, and this is how you add your files in. You go to videos, and then files, and then add videos, browse, then you come down here and you say Windows SMB network. When you do that, that's supposed to do something. Why isn't it doing anything? Oh, it's working down there in the bottom corner. Okay, then you should see your computer here, whatever it's called, and then when you click on that you should see the folders you have shared on that computer. So I already have all these set up, but what you would do is you would choose the folder and then come down and say OK. Where the hell? OK. Then you say OK here. Now this is the key thing here. You tell it what's in the folder. Movies, TV, what the hell? Why isn't it letting me choose this? I don't know. Something is locked up here or something. Oh, my mouse just wasn't. So here you can say movies, TV shows, none. So depending on what folder you chose, make sure you choose the right thing. You want to say run automated scan, so you want to select that. And then scan recursively, and then say OK. Then it should read all the movies that you have in that folder and set them up in your movie database, which would be like, see, I don't really like this skin, so I'm going to show you how to change to a different skin that I like better. You go to System, Appearance, Skin, and then down here it says Get More somewhere. So you need the mouse or something to get down there. You can click on Get More, and it goes out to the internet. Download this Eon Knox one. That's the one I'm going to change to right now. And I think it's a much better skin. So I'm going to choose that one. And that kind of changes the way everything looks. So now let me show you how you can set up your menu so that it looks kind of like what I have. So right now it shows in the movies, up above the movies, it shows like the 7 most recent ones that I've added. And you can work, you can go across and look at them. For TV shows it's the same thing, like the most recent episodes, Moonshiners, The Layover, Moonshiners, The Soup, Merlin, X Factor. These are just like your most recent episodes. That's kind of like a shortcut. So to set it up like that, you go to System, then go to Skin, then go hang on a second. There's a ton of options, so it's tricky to find the right one. You go Customizers, then you go Main Menu Item Customizer. And then it sort of shows you your main menu, and you find the thing you want to customize. So like, you can have all these custom options, which I don't have many, but so say I go movies. So then that thing that appears above the movies there, that's called a widget. So you can choose the widget, and it can say latest movies. And then you can choose how you want it to appear, like a little window over on the side, a list like that, or panel, which is what I have. So that's all I did for that. And then I did the same thing for TV shows. I chose the widget, latest episodes, panel. So that will get that to work. Let me show you how you change other stuff. So when you go into TV shows, for example, it looks like this for me. There's a nice little icon for each show, and then you click on it, and then you have each season, and then you can have each episode of the show. So the way you do that is every time you come into one of these menus, there's this little arrow over here. So if you click up, God damn it, dog, move. If you click up, you get a little menu over here, and this top thing is like I don't know what the hell they call it, but you can show this list of TV shows a bunch of different ways, and these are all the different ways here. The way I have right now is called Bannerplex, but you can say list, and then it just lists all the shows, or you can say try panel, or you can say low list, or you can say panel, info panel. It just lists the TV shows a bunch of different ways. Big Fan just shows one show per page, episode, landscape, etc. So Bannerplex is this. Then when you click on a show, you get the episodes or the seasons. Again, you can click here to show how you want those seasons to show up. So the way I have it is called Shift, and that's this right here, but you can do it a number of different ways. You could say landscape or episode or Big Fan or wall or whatever. So you say Shift, and then when you click on a season, that I have set up is called episode, and it shows it shows each episode of the show in a little summary of what it is. So that's how I have the TV show set up. Movies I have set up right now to go to this episode style. So again, over here, that's the way episode. But you can have something like wall, where it shows, a little picture for every movie, and you can just go through them. I've tried a bunch of different ways with this, and I just go with episode for now. So then you go down this list, and it shows the artwork and a little summary. Then back here, you can click down from the main menu and go to latest. And here's all the latest, like the most recent movies that I've added. And the same for TV, you can go latest. I have a weird view on this one for some reason. So this is just sort of the most recent episodes of all the TV shows that I have set up to download. So that's about it. There's one more thing you need to do, though. I'm trying to remember where it is. I think it's under System, Video, Update Library on Startup. You want to make sure you have that checked so that every time you start xbmc, it will scan your folders to see if there's anything new. There's like a million other things, but that should get you started. Let me know. Bye.